Hello everyone. Now we'll solve another board question from the same chapter, arithmetic progression. So here in the question it is given for what value of k. That means you'll have to find the value of k. For what value of k? The terms. What are the terms? Now one is your k minus 2, another is 4k minus 6, another 3k minus 2. So all the three terms are consecutive and that in AP. So as it is given, the three terms are already in AP. K plus 2, 4k minus 6 and 3k minus 2. The three terms are in AP. So from the concept of AP, we know let k plus 2 is your first term, that is A1. 4k minus 6 is your second term, that is A2. And 3k minus 2 is your third term, that is A3. From the concept we know if the terms are in AP, that means the differences are same. So here in between the first term and second term we can find the D1. What is D1? D1 stands for your first difference, that is your A2 minus A1, and the value of A2 minus A1 can be written as your A2, it is your 4k minus 6 minus A1 k plus 2, and whatever we will get, that will be the value of D1. And what about D2? Now D2 is the difference between your third term and second term, that is your A3 minus A2. And what is the value of A3? That is your 3k minus 2. And what is the value of A2? That is your 4k minus 6. As the terms are in AP, hence your D1 must be equal to D2. Now let's substitute the value of D1 and D2. The value of D1 is your 4k minus 6 minus k minus 2. It is your 4k minus 6 minus k plus 2. And what is of D2? That is your 3k minus 2 minus 4k minus 6. Now we'll open the bracket of k plus 2. Previously minus is there, so after opening the bracket it will be minus k and minus 2. And in the RHS also 3k minus 2 as it is, we'll open the bracket of 4k minus 6. The value is minus 4k plus 6. Now 4k minus k, 3k minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 is equal to 3k minus 4k minus k minus 2 plus 6 is your plus 4. Now bring all the k terms one side. So the k is minus in the right side, in the left side it is plus. All the numbers one side, 8 is minus in the left side, right side is plus, and we have another 4. We got 3k plus k, that is the value of here 4k is equal to 12, and k is equal to 12 by 4, that is a 3. So for k is equal to 3, the three terms will be consecutive and should be in AP. But let's cross check whether k is equal to 3 is the correct answer or not. Now by for k is equal to 3, let's check what is the value of k plus 2, that is your 3 plus 2, and answer is 5. What is the value of 4k minus 6? Now 4k minus 6, by putting k is equal to 3, it is your 4 into 3 minus 6, that is your 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. And 3k minus 2 value, 3k minus 2 is equal to, by putting k is equal to 3, so 3 into 3 minus 2, that is your 3 into 3 is 9, 9 minus 2, that is equal to 7. The values are 5, 6, 7. So we got the final value of the three terms as your 5, 6, 7. Now 5, 6, 7 are consecutive terms, and 5, 6, 7s are also in AP. Why? Because the D1, that is the difference between your second term and first term, 6 minus 5, it is 1. And the value of D2, it is the difference of third term and second term, 7 minus 6, that is called 1. As the differences are 1, hence the three terms are in AP and the three terms are consecutive. Thank you so very much for watching.